Peaceful greetings, Islam, Islam, Islam. I am Brother Hassan Ghazi Obey here at Morocco at Northwest of Mexham. This is your Astrology 101 Workshop 2019 announcement with Brother Hassan Ghazi Obey. This year, it is held Saturday, April 20th, 2019 at the Coldspring Community Cottage, 4800 Tamarind Road near the Baltimore Corporation, Maryland State Republic, 21209-9998. Eleemosynary tuition is 36 notes in lieu of lawful money. Transact at cash.me/caduceus symbol MyAstrologyStreet or paypal.me/7hillstar. Give us a call or text at 443-376-8764 or email HassanGhaziObey@gmail.com for full disclosure for food, supplies, and more. Did I do that under a minute, Moroccan Roy?
Yeah!
Come along,